How you doing, everyone? Thank you for tuning in. Today we have LEXINFINTECH Holdings, and their ticker symbol is L to the X, LX. So again, for all of you that are new, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for following and subscribing, liking, commenting, doing all the shebang. I greatly appreciate it. As usual, if you have any questions about any charts or have any questions about anything related to trading or trading psychology, and that can be anything from stocks, cryptos, forex, futures, anything. Anything involving these beautiful things right here, these candles, let me know in the comment section. Let's get right to it. Okay, so for Alex, we have this last candle that closed on Friday. So for me, I want to see two things either happening. Either I want to see it just go up a bit into this $2 area and then continue downward, or I want to see if it's going to actually just close down here and then hit this $1.68 level and then actually pop up from there and see some sort of reaction there. That's basically all I'm looking for. Simple, sweet, to the point. I don't like to keep these videos long. I don't like to just throw the whole fluff of nothing. Just basically say my hellos, saying my greetings to support the channel for everything that I'm trying to just do. Again, this isn't financial advice or anything like that. This is just educational advice because I want to show you guys how I basically showcase my skills. So, hopefully, make some money on my end, and anybody who want to ride along, go ahead and do so. Like that's basically it. But again, this isn't financial advice. I'm just showcasing my skill. And yeah, again, if it gets up here to this $2, we can possibly see a continuation toward the downside. But if it breaks that $2, then obviously I like to see at least it coming to 230. That's it. But with that being said, again, any questions, leave them down in the comments. You already know what to do. Like, comment, all that good stuff. Follow your boy on social media if you have any. And yeah, stay tuned. Peace.